Hi everyone. So just because it was raining a lot today, I just want to make sure that everyone understands what we did today. Plus, if you got booted out, I want to make sure that you have all the information. So I just want to share with you the notes all over again, as if you were in class. So the three things we talked about was that in order to graph, these are the three things in order that you need to do. You need to make sure there's a table, a ratio table, and then you need to write your ordered pairs, and then you need to graph. All right, so those are your three things. So if we go to example 1, we did examples 1 and for problems A and B. So what's great is they already gave you a table. So what we need to do is we need to create our three ratios, which our ratios are 4 to 2, 8 to 4, 12 to 6, and we need to change them into ordered pairs. And ordered pairs are always going to be with parentheses, and the X is always first, and then the Y is second. The problem is that we don't know if the flour is X or Y. And then we don't know if the water is X or Y. So you have to look at your graph. And your graph, this right here, this line going to the right is your X. This line going up is your Y. All right. So because we know that, that means flour is your X, because flour is talking about this X axis. So we know that our flour is X, which means water is Y. And that's a huge help to help us with our ordered pairs. All right, so when we're doing our ordered pairs, we have parentheses, commas. All right, and for our first ratio of 4 to 2, our 4 is X, so we're going to write 4 first because there's our X. X is always first. So 2 is our Y, there's our Y, and Y is second, so there's our 2. All right, so now we're going to do the second ratio. So our ratio of 8 to 4 is going to look like 8 comma 4 with parentheses. And then 12 to 6 is 12 comma 6. So now we have to graph those three. So here is our graph. We know our X is going to go to the right and our Y is going up because we're only dealing with quadrant 1. So it says 4 comma 2. You always start at 0. You're going to go to the 4 to the right, and then you're going to go up 2. So that's your coordinate. So you don't want to draw those lines. I'm only drawing them to show you. All right, but that is your coordinate that you need to plot. The next one is 8 comma 4. So you're going to go start at 0 again, and you're going to go to the 8, and then you're going to go up 4. And there's your dot. And then for the last one, you're going to go start at 0. You're going to go up, going to the right 12, and then up 6. And then there's your dot. All right. So what's great is you can see that these three dots, these three coordinates, line up very nicely with 0. And that's a good thing. So you want to connect your line. All right. Make sure you use a straight edge or a ruler. And when you do this, make sure you know if you see that it's connecting and it's making a straight line, a linear line, then you know that, what was I going to say to you? Then you know that you're pretty much on the same, you're on the right path and you're getting the right answer. So last thing is you need to label. So you can label 4 comma 2, or if you want to make a key, you can say B instead of 8 comma 4, or you can do it with listing as the ordered pair. All right, so let's do one more. So here is problem B. So again, it's great that they have the table. So for 2, you're going to do your ordered pairs. So 1 to 2 is going to be 1 comma 10. And the reason why is because time is down here on the x-axis. So time is your x, so this is x. Earnings dollars is on the y-axis, so that means on your table, your earning dollars is your y. So 1 is your x, so that's why your 1 is here, because your x is first. Okay, so now your next one is going to be 2 to 20, so 2 is your x, and 20 is your y. And then for your last one, 3 is your x, so 30 is your y. And then now you're going to graph them. So we're going to start at 0. You're going to go to 1. You're not going over just 1. You have to go to 1. All right. And then you want to go to 10. So here is your dot. We're going to erase. All right. 2, you're going to start at 0. We're going to go to 2 and then go up to 20. Okay. And then we're going to go to 0 and we're going to go to 3 and then go to 30. And then we're going to erase those lines. All right. So now we have to make sure we connect our lines to our dots. Make sure it's going through 0, 0. And then you're going to label. All right. Again, you can do a key. So you can label like this, or you can just say C. Okay. And that's it. Any questions, please let me know. Have a great day, everybody.